Alright folks, this is what I've been waiting for 3 months. My home track is open and I'm going to go riding. It's a beautiful day, track conditions are really good. This is my first time out on the track on the YZ250F. Up until now it's just been riding wherever I can, logging roads, that kind of thing. It's been super frustrating having to contend with this crappy Pacific Northwest, very wet weather, but here we are. The day's finally come. I'm gonna do some GoPro footage and I'll be showing you guys me riding this. So here it is, the 2021 YZ250F. Just to recap, new to riding, been through a bunch of different bikes, settled on this, gonna stay with the 4-stroke. 2 strokes were just kind of too tough to ride, and I know I'm kind of repeating myself here, but this is it. YZ250F, bone stock except for the graphics, and I got the Cherubus skid plate as well. So I'm gonna throw on my GoPro and do some laps and just give you guys a feel of what this place is all about. It's actually a full house today. There is a limit of how many riders can be at the track due to COVID, the COVID situation. So I squeezed in. I'm glad I got a ride spot for today, and just gonna again take it easy and still feeling out the bike. And all right, we'll see you with the GoPro like right now. All right, here we go. Some HERO9 footage. So what I'll do is I'll go out to the junior track, get warmed up, do a couple laps, then I'll head out onto the big track. Just do a lap. I pretty much roll the track. The jumping thing is a whole other ball game. I'm just really working on fundamentals, body position, throttle, clutch control, all that kind of stuff. And junior track's a great place to do that, actually. So I'll show you what that's all about. Really bad arm pump today too. It's been brutal. We kind of go slow on the junior track. There's a lot of little ones out there usually. I don't want to scare them. Okay, so here's the junior track. I'll let these guys go by. Some of these kids are just so darn fast. It's just so awesome. being an in-shape guy. Whew. I'm gonna chill for a bit. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so this is the big track. It is a pro national level track, but it's mainly a practice track, so I think it's been tamed down quite a bit. But there's some fast guys today. This is the best day we've had all year. It's just prime, so everybody's out. So anyways, without further ado, some of it. I'm sorry, faster guys coming up behind me. It's a little intimidating. Big step up right there, which I cannot clear. A long ways away. Clear. Big lip. Woo. Probably the most air I've ever got. Up, I just went around that. Oh my gosh. I'm out of here. I'm just not at this level, man. Anyways, it's better to suck today and come back tomorrow, be able to come back in one piece tomorrow, and hopefully suck a little bit less and just keep that going. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed that. I'm gonna wrap it up right now. And that is a wrap here at Popkum Moto Park. First day on a motocross track on the YZ250F. And yeah, really like this bike. It's been great. Exactly what I needed. This is the bike I should have bought in the first place. But oh well, live and learn, right? And yeah, hopefully we'll get home and the GoPro footage turned out pretty good. But that's episode 3, and we're just trucking along here. Just gonna take little bite-sized pieces into this whole journey of getting back into motocross, because being you know, middle-aged, whatever, fragile, more fragile, just the idea of the game is just enjoy it and not get hurt, and it's really shifted my whole life focus. It's quite dramatic. It's pretty awesome. So hope everyone's doing good, and episode 4 will hopefully be coming along in a couple weeks, and we'll see you then. All right, take care.